my people. Today is Saturday. I hope everybody is enjoying their holiday weekend and being safe out there. But if you're new to my channel, my name is LashawnTerry. Welcome to the Rich Gang. And click that subscribe button, hit that notification button so you'll know when I record. Come in and have a seat. Look around. Look, I have playlists. And I'm a jack of all trades. I talk about everything. I talk about diet, health, jewelry, sneakers, skincare, vaginal care for some of my women. So come on in and have a seat. So let's get into this Keto Chow box. So as y'all see on the top, this blueberry pie. Mm, 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 mm. This is a new flavor that they just put out, and it went probably in less than 5 hours. They only could do a limited amount because of the simple fact that an ingredient that they use is on short supply and they can't get much of it. But I do hope that they add this blueberry pie back once they get, the ingredient that they need much of. They have to prioritize their flavors because they use that particular ingredient in all of their shake mixes. So I tasted it. I made me one. It does have like a purple lavenderish color, and it is delicious. So I do hope once they get the ingredients back, and because of the large response to people really liking it, I hope they can get this back in stock because I only got 5 of them and now I got 4 left. I'm gonna have to savor these. Y'all saw me use the electrolyte drops. I like these. There's no taste to them. It's nothing. No sugar, no carbs, no nothing. And they do work. I ran out of my supplements from Pure Encapsulated or Inscription, whatever it is called. But I was ordering from Keto Chow anyway, so I decided to try the Daily Minerals because it does have some of the, I don't know why this thing keep going in and out. It does have some of the minerals and vitamins that I'm looking for, but it is another multivitamin that I am going to buy, and I'll come to y'all with that later. And this is made by Dr. Berry. He is a real physician, like family doctor. So I saw this Keto Chow. I saw the grapes. So I got, these are the ones that I didn't get the last time. I got raspberry cheesecake because I think I'm going to be using Keto Chow mostly for puddings, but also I like to drink them in my coffee as well, and they're pretty good. But these flavors I'm going to use for puddings. I got some pistachio, which was really good. I got some peanut butter, chocolate peanut butter, which I do like. And I got my favorite, which is banana. They was out of stock of my other favorite, my second favorite, which is chocolate toffee. So I just got these. That's all I really need for now. Oh, and I think I got salted caramel. I'm supposed to have salted caramel. And here's my salted caramel. So that is my Keto Chow order. I want to say I really like Keto Chow. Out of all of the shakes and meal replacements that I have tried, Keto Chow is by far the best. Not only is it made with clean ingredients, and it's a husband and wife company, Chris and Mariam. They're very sweet, but they put everything out in front for you. They don't hide anything. So if it's an ingredient in here that you've heard bad stuff about, they have all of that on their website and the blog, as well as they have a YouTube video where they discuss all ingredients and why they use it multiple times. So their website is this is the website, and their YouTube is called Keto Chow. They do lives every morning, and I think one time a week or two times a week at night in the evenings. They are a company out of Utah. Um, but I was telling y'all why I like Keto Chow. One, it's made with clean ingredients, and two, it has 1/3 of your daily minerals and vitamins that you need. So it is a complete meal replacement. You can use whatever fats that you want to, and I've made a Keto Chow video in the past. You can go and watch that one, but you can use anything that has fat. It has to at least have 10 grams of fat for in order for it to or a tablespoon in order for it to release the fat soluble vitamins. So people have used heavy whipping cream, which can is very fatty. It can lead up to a lot of carbs. I use butter. People use cream cheese, um, avocado oil, coconut oil, whatever suits you. They also send directions on how to make it, as well as the different types of fats that you can use and what the macros are for the different types of fats. Like you see here, heavy whipping cream, salted butter, with the dry mixes. Um, so yeah, I really like this, and I wouldn't go back to any other meal replacement or just shakes, period. So leave me a comment you know, in the comment box, and I'll talk to y'all later. Peace.